here we have got the end product. In this case I just put in 4 patches, and that's what you can do with those patches. In the military or wherever you were and you have got patches left over, or you're like me, you're collecting patches, you can put them in here into a picture frame like this. Either you have a photo or you have got a drawing of that aircraft or whatever that is. Could be also the fire brigade has, for instance, loads of patches. I know that because there are some collectors there too. So you can take a photo of that car, vehicle, whatever, tank, helicopter, plane, anything at all related to those patches, and you can put them in those frames very easily. So you got a nice eye catcher basically. It's based in Berlin, used to be based in Berlin-Tegel, but the airfield has closed now since last year, and they will move to Berlin-Schönefeld. And here we have got the very first patch, one of the very first patches that unit used to have. And the unit used to have a Huey, I think 3 or 4, and they were also white painted and had just a blue stripe in there. That used to be the old paint scheme. So, and then here we have got from Berlin after 1991, the reunification between East and West. They moved to Berlin. Before that they were in Bonn based, and Cologne, Bonn, Wahn, that's the airfield, and they moved over to Berlin-Tegel. That's why there's the Brandenburger Gate here. So then they got from the Huey, after the Huey, they got the Caugar Super Puma in the civil version, and they got the new patch, Berlin Caugars. They just made a fun patch. I don't think that's a very official one. I think that's just a fun patch. So that patch is like the more modern one from Berlin-Brandenburg. That's the county where the unit is based. So here we have that one, and that's going to join all the other picture frames that I have so far together. In the ILA 2008, I got this one, and I let it signed by the crew who was there at the ILA. So that's very nice remembrance. Even got that from the Belgium, from the display team at the time. It was from 2013. They're the guys who signed it. And BSZ 2005, that was from the Italian helicopter school, also from the Air Force. They were there with 2 helicopters, so the 2 pilots and the co-pilots, they signed that. So yeah, and still space for more.